Model, 2010 Toyota Hilux HL3 double cab pickup 3.0 D-4D four-wheel drive needs body, green 4x4 mileage, 186447 MOT, the 9th of August 2024 engine, 2982 cc 1 kdf TVB transmission, 5-speed manual, mechanical summary, starts perfect runs perfect. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Fitted with a very powerful search light and tow bar features, 3 former keepers, electric windows EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear cap retail, £7,095. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.